Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you get car membership on your 5miles app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your 5miles app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on me down here. So then you come to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, then you click here on membership. You just click on it here. Then you come to this list here, so then you come here to car membership, you click here on pay now to sell your voucher here. So then you come to this is in here, can you check silver or gold or platinum here or premium. So platinum here, then you click here on here for month and here for year, can you get and add your card information, then it's going to add video on your 5miles app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.